ready to streamline your document workflow in under 90 seconds. Let's dive into Pandadoc. First, creating your document is a breeze. You can upload existing files like PDFs or Word documents, or start from scratch using Pandadoc's customizable templates or a blank canvas. Pandadoc offers a library of pre-built templates for various needs. From proposals and contracts to invoices, simply select the one that fits your purpose. Or if you have a unique style, start a new document and build your own. Once your document is open, you can easily add essential elements. Think of these as interactive placeholders, text fields for information to be filled in, signature fields for clients to sign, and even drop-downs for choices. Just drag and drop them where you need them. Now, let's send it for signature. Click the Send button, enter your recipient's email address, and choose whether they need to sign, approve, or just view the document. Pandadoc handles the secure delivery. The magic doesn't stop there. You can track your document's progress in real time, see when it's been opened, viewed, and most importantly, when it's been signed. No more guessing games. And that's it. You've just learned the core of Pandadoc. Sign up today and experience the ease of professional document management. Pandadoc Tutorial Easy Guides.